welcome to cooking when it's hot as, do I want to put that oven on? No. Do I want to slave over a hot stove? No. But apparently, my family still needs to be fed. Ha! Imagine that. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grill the chicken outside. Let's just play time machine that I actually marinated the chicken the night before, which I did. It's all gonna be kind of a grab bag of yummy textures for a cool and refreshing dinner that's a chef's kiss. Let's start with my least favorite part of the chicken breast. I don't know, they're ubiquitous, right? They're not that good, but what can we do? Well, we're gonna slice them and we're gonna do balsamic and some smoked garlic. Balsamic is actually a nice marinade. So marinate it about an hour. Throw it on the grill. Let me impress you with my grill. Look at this. Yeah, it's pretty highbrow. But look, the grills came out perfectly. I did a good job. I'm very proud of my female grill master niche. I soak my farro. Doesn't say to, but let me tell you, an uncooked farro is like when a sock is going down under your heel. It's annoying. So cook that up. Now I've got the farro. And I've got all the ingredients for the salad. This is the really easy part with this recipe. So you've gotten the chicken, you've got the farro, you have probably some radicchio arugula, hopefully. If you have some other kind of lettuce, that's okay too. It's whatever else you have on hand to create texture, because texture is important. And I really learned that when I had COVID and texture was all I had left. Parmesan, currants, if you got some sweet-ass cherry tomatoes, slices of cucumber, slices of apple, whatever you have that on hand, that's great. It's going to give that grainy, fun texture. When you eat a salad like this with the farro, with the marinated chicken, it's a salad that you don't feel like you're being punished for. It's fun. I said, hey guys, I got all this stuff assembled. You can just do it yourself whenever you feel like it. Because I'm going to go downtown and meet my girlfriend Tina so we can go disco dancing. There's like an outdoor disco. But they're like, oh, you put it together so well. Okay, all right. My one last thing, and then I'm out. And here's where I wow you with my great camera work. Oh, geez, I could have put that tripod in a better place. But you see how it's easy. Now the dressing, I did a rice wine vinegar and olive oil. Obviously, you can do different vinegars, but I thought it was nice for a light summer thing. Mirin is fantastic as well. In the autumn, I'd say maybe apple cider vinegar. Of course, in the autumn, I'm not afraid to turn on the oven. Somebody turn the oven on, I feel heat. And there it is, another no measurement, great, easy meal. You can do it.